I always say to people that I learned from Pioneer how to pitch with precision, which is to be able to share my business idea in a minute or less. I also learned how to be more innovative and how important innovation is in the enterprise I build and the profitability of my enterprise. I learned how to seek opportunities and to not necessarily make them complicated, but to be able to exploit them properly by knowing the different parts of my business. With the network I built in Pioneer, with both Pioneer students and even the entrepreneurs that attended the Pioneer program, it has enhanced me as a person. And in participating in the competition, I was actually able to fine-tune my business idea. And also, what I found was that with that came exposure for my business, and I've had people that were at the Pioneer contest even call me up to offer me advice and almost mentor me, you could say, for my business. Pioneer exposed me to some entrepreneurial tools that I might not have used them before. And lastly, ARM helped me to build resilience. As an entrepreneur, it's not always going to be good times. You're going to have bad times as well. And hearing the stories of some of the entrepreneurs that attended Pioneer helped me to build the resilience and the strength that I will need in the future for my business.